Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 1.6 CDTI-BT, 125, S, SD, L1H1 Factory Crew Cab needs turbo. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 139,809. MOT, 18 October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The turbo is noisier than normal and will need replacing as soon as possible. It still starts and drives brilliantly. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking